In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the TikTok pixel to your Shopify store. So the way I'm going to teach you today is using an app, and I find this is the easiest method because it requires no manual installation. You don't have to do any weird like codes or anything like that. So make sure you watch the whole video to ensure that you get every step correct. First of all, we want to log into our Shopify store and go to apps, and then go to apps and sales channel settings. Next, go to Shopify App Store. Then from here, at the top we want to type in TikTok. Now there's a few different ones you can use. The one that I like to use is called Omega TikTok Pixel Installer. Can't actually find it on here. But yeah, you'd want to type in TikTok Pixel, and there's a few of these that can help you. This one here is a good one. I've used this one before. This is the one I'm talking about. This is a good one. I'm trying to see if there's any others that are good. I think these are the main two. If there's any others that you that you see here that you want to try out, give it a go. You can also use the TikTok app to do this. There's pluses and there's negatives to doing that. So the one I'm going to show you today is this one. It's $8.99 a month, so it costs a little bit of money, but it's definitely worth it for how easy it is and how good it works. So you want to install app here. Now, once we've installed it, it's going to get us to select the plan. I'm going to click monthly. I'm going to do the 3-day plan. It's probably going to I'm going to put my billing details in here. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and installed a different one called Pixel Tracker. Now, you can try this one if you want. I still recommend the other two, but the premise of them is going to be the same. So inside here, you need to ensure that you enable the app in your theme. So click here. It's going to pop up a little thing here. Just wait for it. Make sure this is turned on. If it's turned off, it's not going to work. Make sure it's on. Hit save. Now I'm going to go back into the app here. Next is to get your Pixel ID. So the way you would do this is go to your ads dashboard, assets and events, and there's going to be a little code. It will say like ID or Pixel ID. It's going to be a long, like it can have like 20 different numbers in a row, something like that. That's going to be your pixel. Once you've done that, you want to click add new pixel. For name, you can type in your account. So let's say TikTok add account 1. Now in here you want to put the code. I'm going to just put some random numbers. It probably won't work. There it works. So there we can go press save. Now this is going to be up on your store here. Make sure you've got it all incorrect. It's going to tell you the view content amount, the add to carts, the initiate checkouts, and the purchases. So it's pretty cool. You can see your ads dashboard, your tag builder, all of this kind of stuff here. Now that we've got installed, we're going to check if it's working properly. And what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we're going to go TikTok Pixel Manager or something like that. Or TikTok Pixel Extension. So this one, TikTok Pixel Helper. This one we're going to add to Chrome. And what this is going to do, I won't add it because I'll show you here. You're going to load up your website once you've installed the Pixel, and it's going to show, it should say 1 pixel found on your site. And it should also tell you the events you're doing. So if you go onto your website and you add to cart, it should pop up that an add to cart has happened on your Pixel. If that happens and it shows up like that, then you know that your Pixel is installed properly and everything's working. Now it's also going to tell you a bit more data, so it'll tell you the value of your add to cart, the currency, all that kind of stuff. This is essential to know because it will send this back to TikTok so that it can report on this data. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.